Danko bafethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs Premium Sport. Namhlanje sokhuluma interview uShabalala owayeyitholile ngesikhathi eqeda ukudlala umdlalo Man of the Match. I-journalist malimbuza bafethu ngendaba yokuthi uzizwa kanjani uHugo Broos ngoba emthatha emfaka ethimini, wasephendula kahle ukuthi hayi yena akanankinga, uzoqhubeka nje azimisele ukusebenza kanzima ukuthi ama-coaches acabangani ngaye noma decide ini uzo-accepta yona le nto abayidecide. Ake nimlalele nizwe ukuthi uthini.
Hugo Broos was in the stands today. You're part of that preliminary squad for Bafana Bafana, and you just gave a performance of your life.
Yeah, I think I did my job today, and everything lies on the coach. And any decision, I will take it, and I will keep on working hard. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so umfana into ayikhuluma yezwakala kakhulu, noma umbona ukuthi akaphathekile kahle ngoba mayifike lapha nje akadlaliswa nokudlaliswa, sometimes bamnikeze kusele 10 minutes. Yabona isikhathi abamnikeza sona uShabalala sincane maye lapha kuBafana Bafana. Kodwa ayino ukuthi kwelinye ilanga koze kuhlangane, koze kufike enye coach ezombona ayenza umsebenzi kangcono. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nje nawo uMcCarthy naye uzimisela kakhulu ukuthi adlalele iKaizer Chiefs, asuke ku-development yeKaizer Chiefs abuye kwi-first team, ingakho umbona athola nama man of the match. And then naye uVilakazi naye umunye umuntu onebhadi lokuthi angayathola ama-man of the match, naye usuka lapha ku-development yeKaizer Chiefs and udlala kahle kakhulu umfana, uyayimisela, uyambona nje ngathi wavele wa-accepta nje ukuthi angabi nendaba nama-man of the match or into eyiningi, afocus ebholeni ngoba uyazi ukuthi uthando lwabantu unalo, bayamthanda abantu ngapha nangapha, and uyazi kahle ukuthi ithuba usazolithola elokuthi akhona ukudlala noma ikuphi la afuna khona, usazolithola, especially eleBafana Bafana. I know ukuthi umfundo Vilakazi usazolithola ithuba lokuthi ayidlale leBafana Bafana. And then bese kuba u-Oxy Mthethwa. U-Oxy bafethu udlala kahle kakhulu ngoba ngizwa namanye ama-player, mina ama-supporters awe-Orlando Pirates, Sundowns babuye bakhulume kahle kakhulu ngaye ukuthi besitshela ukuthi u-Oxy inkomo, kodwa sayibona irole yakhe ayidlala and uyayenza, i-destroyer umfana, uyayenza umsebenzi wakhe kakhulu, and iyo lento encomekayo esiyidingayo eziKaizer Chiefs. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu.